Welcome to day 9 of Vlogmas, and I am making myself another piece of toast so that I can try our jams that I haven't tried yet. The peach jasmine flower from yesterday, and today we have fig cardamom spread. So that'll be interesting to see how much of a difference there is between that and the fig jam that I've made myself, because I certainly don't include cardamom. Today I probably won't be cooking dinner, probably have leftovers for lunch. We're going to a Christmas concert type thing at the elementary school this evening, and so we'll probably just go get some dinner after that. But we'll see what I can show you of my day today, and I'm gonna go make my toast. Have a smiley face. Are you going to sip it so you can move the cup?
But it's such black coffee and I don't know. Let's see. It's gonna spill everywhere.
It's hot too.
That was truly awful.
This is Christmas time. This is Christmas time. Children singing, the bells are ringing. This is Christmas time. You know Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner. But do you know, Blitzen? Do you know Blitzen? He's a boogie woogie reindeer, and he boogies all day. You know.
We've had a pretty busy day, or at least evening. We had to go to the school and had a cute little winter song performance, which will include some footage from. And then since we were out and it was, dinner time, we decided to go have dinner. Took the whole family out to a restaurant, which we don't do all that much these days, post-pandemic. But they love sushi, so we went to a local sushi place. And they stuffed themselves silly. And then we stopped and got some crumble cookies, so there'll be some pictures of that. And came home and I finally did my puzzle, and the kids got a new advent calendar, so there's some pictures of that where they basically build a nightlight. And there's supposed to be glue involved, but we're not sure if one day there's going to be glue in there or we should get some glue ourselves. So that's going to be interesting. So they probably won't actually be able to put that all together until the 24th. But it's cute. It's a cute little fairy light with little figurines things. So pictures of that. And now it's time, finally, to have a little scotch. So tonight, let's see, we are on day 8. It is the 8th of December, so you'll see this for day 9 of Vlogmas. We have a 9-year-old scotch from the Speyside region, a distillery called Okroisk. I don't know. And it's from First Fill Madeira barrels. And they say we should taste red fruits, mellow smoke, and a hint of chocolate. Last night's was very, very smoky. Not a super fan, honestly. But hopefully this one is more mellow. I'm good. Smells nice. It does not smell super smoky like last night, so that's good. A little bit of fire. The flavor is nice. It's a little sweet. A little bit of smoke, but that's about it. Certainly not super smoky. I will say it's a little, it's not super smooth on the first taste. It is oh, this is a 50%, so that's a little high on alcohol. Most of these I think are in the 30 to 40. So this is definitely on the high range. Red fruits, mellow smoke, hint of chocolate, and it is a 50%. Most of them are maybe down at 43. This one's a little more, a little burny. But flavor is nice. I like the flavor, but that hit of alcohol is a bit much for me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below. And come back and watch what we do tomorrow.